Hey everyone, big news from Microsoft. Windows support officially ended on October 14, 2025. That means no more updates, no more security patches, and yes, your old PC might be at risk if you keep using it. In this video, I will break down what this means for you, what to do next, and how to stay safe if you are still running Windows 10. So right let's keep right in it. So we'll start with what does end of support mean? What does the end of support mean for Microsoft? What does it actually mean? So it means Microsoft is done updating Windows 10. No more new features, no more bug fixes, and most importantly, no more security updates. That means if new viruses, malware, or security flaws appear, your Windows 10 system will be completely unprotected. Windows 10 launched way back in July 2015, and after 10 years of service, Microsoft is officially moving on, focusing now on Windows 11 and even preparing for Windows 12. So the next question is, will Microsoft 10 still work? Now, don't panic. Windows 10 will still work. You can turn it on, browse the internet, open your files. Nothing will suddenly stop working overnight. But here is the problem. Every day you stay on Windows 10, your computer becomes less secure and less compatible with new software. Over time, even web browsers and apps might stop supporting it. So, so while it works, it slowly becomes unsafe and outdated. So what are your options now? What options are available to users of Windows 10? So, so what can you do now that Windows 10 support has ended? You have got three main options. Option one, upgrade to Windows 11. If your PC meets the requirement, this is the safest and easiest choice. You will get modern security, better performance, and support until 2031. Option two, if you have the funds, buy a new PC. If your system doesn't support Windows 11, it might be time to upgrade to a new PC, a new hardware. Most modern laptops already come with Windows 11 pre-installed. Option three, stay on Windows 10 temporarily. If you can't upgrade yet, use strong antivirus protection, avoid unknown downloads, and keep regular backups of your important files. Well then, let's deal with the issue of security risk of staying on Windows 10. Hackers love outdated systems. Once Microsoft stops patching vulnerabilities, they know exactly how to break in. Without updates, your data, passwords, and even banking info could be exposed. If your computer is online and still running Windows 10, you are walking a dangerous line. Please don't wait until it's too late to protect yourself. So now let's see, how do you check if you can upgrade your system? How do you check it? Go to Microsoft website and download PC Health Check tool. It's free and quick. It will tell you right away if your system meets the requirements, like TPM 2.0 secure boot and enough RAM and storage space. If it says your PC is ready, go ahead and upgrade. If not, you will know what needs to change. Let's deal with the final thoughts and call to action. Just to recap, Windows 10 support officially ended on October 14th. October 14th. You can still use it, but it's no longer safe. Your best move is to upgrade or switch to a newer PC to protect your files and privacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tech updates and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.